Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Today we're going to do a little service work on an HRV right behind me that I have my hand on here. This is a unit that was designed because the houses and the condos today are built a lot tighter than the older houses. There's less fresh air coming in. So this is a unit that allows us to bring in fresh air and exhaust the stale air. We can actually preheat the cooler air coming in by the warmer air exhausting. The air flows never touch each other, but there's a heat transfer there, which makes us very efficient. I'm going to open up this front cover and show you how easy it is to maintain this. I've already, for the sake of brevity, undone the screws here, so I'll take those out. I'll open this up. In the center here, you see a large center core. They even talk about maintenance on here. First of all, we're going to take these little filters out. And we're going to take a look. Oh, look at that. We have a little stuff to vacuum off this filter. And we're going to take the next one. Oh, it's a little dirty on this filter too. So these are candidates to be vacuumed and washed. And the large core, I don't know if you can read that maintenance label on there. That large core allows the air to pass through. That has to be soaked in warm sudsy water and then rinsed, and then it dries for a couple of days. You only need to do that once a year. And the blue filters, again, maybe up to 4 times a year, depending on the environment you're running it in, need to be vacuumed, washed, dried. And then simply everything slides back into the same unit the way we took it out. We'll put this back up. Your 2 filters, which will have been washed, go back in. We lower the door down and we install the 2 screws. If you like this video, please press subscribe and like. We'll see you next time.